Birdman 316 here again with the blue 2003 Squier Affinity Strat. You can tell this one has the mixed up tuners. This one here we just played off the neck pickup on clean, no overdrive, no nothing, just some of the reverb that's on the amp itself. I remember this scratch plate, I asked the seller and he told me that it came from like a 2014 or 15 model, but I'm not sure. All I know, it has the double ceramic bar magnets on each one of these pickups here. And it's got the stock wiring, the stock switch, everything. I remember it wouldn't line up perfectly with his body, so right here there's no screw there. But we could pop one in there just for looks, right? I do have the all 5 springs on here. And it's got some dings on the paint. You can tell there's one there. And there's a big one there. But this thing, I mean, right along this neck where the fret edges are, there's nothing's gonna hurt you. Kind of butchered that up. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now we are in the next position down, which normally you get these two, but in this case you get these two. Check this out, guys. I think I bent a string out of tune here. Let's check it out real quick. Haha! You hear that? Yep. It's crazy, isn't it? Always seems to be the first solid string, which is most of the time if you're tuned in normal standard E tuning, that would be the G string, but we're in D to D tunings, that would be I forgot which one, but anyway, it's the first solid string. It's always a little bit of a gremlin there. Okay, next, it would be this one, but now it's this one. Check it out. Okay guys, these two are normal in that position right there, these two. Now, normally this would be this one in this position here, but now it's this one. Check it out, guys. Okay, guys, that was all clean. I'm gonna put a little Joyo Vintage Vantage Overdrive. The gain's not up real high, so got a little bit of a grunt to it there. A little bit of a itch happened. I had to get rid of it there. Now we're back here. We're coming back up the other side. So I might as well start here and go back, right? Now we are here. Almost confused myself there. I'll explain this in a minute here. here now, guys. I think that particular little tune sounds better with this one and this one combined. It's got that chirp to it. Okay, I'm going to explain something to you guys. Okay. Normally, to get these two, you would normally put a little David Gilmour switch right here. But there is a way to get that without adding anything to it. You just take two wires. Your wire for your middle pickup and your bridge pickup that are on here on the switch. Flip them over. You will lose the option of having these two, but you'll still have the option of these two, but yet you add these two. Some might find that confusing a little bit, but I think it will be okay. It's pretty cool. Okay, guys. You know the law. We're turning down the reverb on the amp, turning on the Combo Deluxe 65, and getting the Fender Thin Pick that we haven't broken yet. There we go. Ooh, listen to that drip. Can you hear it? Hope you can hear it. Hoo hoo hoo, yes. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. I'm not even on the right pickup. I'm sorry, guys. Let me fix that situation. Here we go. There we go. That's more like it. We need to be on this pickup, not that one. Great Scott! What in the world is going on around here? Okay, let's try this again. Well, guys, there we go. Now these pickups here, they're your ceramic, like I said, the double bar ceramic magnet pickups. But this one seems to surf pretty good. Not bad at all. Like I said, I have no idea where this scratch plate assembly came from other than another Squier Affinity. I'm guessing, possibly. It was like 30-ish bucks on eBay. But it got this one all back together again. That's not original equipment, but it's original-ish equipment. Still sounds wonderful, guys. To be a stock setup out of another Squier Affinity. You notice it's one ply. And it's got the 11 holes, like, I'm guessing they started the 11 holes in 1962 or 63 or something like that. Originally, the Stratocaster had the 8 holes. I'm guessing as time went on, it started bowing, like, you know, buckling up or whatever in certain spots. So I guess they added a few screws to try to prevent buckling and bowing and stuff from the age and the heat, wherever they were playing gigs and whatnot back in the 60s and whatnot. Late 50s and all that stuff. But anyway, guys, this has been a nice little demo. If I hadn't made your ears burn and made you all say, oh my goodness, let's call the cops on this guy. He's disturbing the peace. Anyway, guys, I hope you like that little demo of this one right here, the 2003 Squier Affinity Stratocaster. I guess this color is in certain light it looks purplish. It's like a metallic blue with a little bit of purple tint to it. But there you go. Guys, I want everyone to do me a huge favor. Have a great day, have a great night wherever you are. And always remember, keep rocking, make the world a better place. This is Birdman 316. Sayonara.